Welcome to Move Ahead at Home, a collection of instructional videos created to help learners of all ages deepen their understanding of mathematical concepts. My name is Glenna Tabor. For the past few decades, I've worked with K-12 schools across the United States as an educational consultant. I'm going to show you how to use just a few resources to play math games that are simple and fun. Plus, they will help your learners get what they need to succeed. When my children were younger, they loved playing with Legos. Because they were siblings, they liked to compare their Lego collections to see who had the most. This activity was really interesting to watch, especially when they had buckets of Legos. It was priceless seeing how they organized the Legos so they could accurately know exactly how many they had. This game, Legos Add Up, was inspired by their counting and how it relates to addition and subtraction. Legos Add Up is a wonderful game for kindergarten and first graders. I like to play it because it's also a game of chance and has a calculated risk factor added to it. I'll explain as we play. For Legos Add Up, each player will need a bag of Legos or container of Legos. Doesn't matter how many studs, each Lego brick represents one. Place a work mat or towel in front of each player so they know where their stacks are. You'll also need a number generator. Remember, that's what we call dice here at Move Ahead at Home, our number generators. If you want to layer from concrete to pictorial to abstract, then you'll want a writing tool and a piece of paper for each player. You may want to keep track of points because the goal of this game is to be the first player with a total of 50 bricks. Not more than 50, but exactly 50. That will be the part of the challenge and fun of this game. So, adults and older siblings, just because you've had more experience in adding numbers, it doesn't mean you're going to win. You can roll the number generator to determine who will roll first, and then go in a clockwise direction. Here's the trick. A player can roll up to 5 times in a row and get that number of Legos. However, if a player rolls 1, they lose all their Legos and must start over from 0. Oh, I told you that it was going to add some risk. Let's see. Let's start to roll. I rolled 6. I'm going to take 6. And I know I could roll 4 more times, but I'm stopping. No, I'm stopping. Legos Add Up will concretely help your learners move ahead at home while they are adding Legos to their collection. As they start to roll, they'll start to compare who has the most. As they come closer to 50, they'll have to see how many more do I need to make 50. I have 6, and I'm going to place these in an array. I have 6. How many more do I need to make 10? Did you say 4? I need 4 more to make 10? Let's see if on my next roll I can roll 4. I rolled another 6. Oh, it's a 6 again. I think I'm going to roll this way. 3. Let's add that. 1, 2, 3. Now since 10 is my very, I know I'm working to 50, but 10 is my very best friend. How many more do I need to make 10? Did you say 1? You're right, I needed 1 more. Legos Add Up, concretely learning how to add numbers all the way to 50. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw and want more, visit my website, glennatabor.com. There are over 100 games there you can download all for free. The games are fun. They teach the concepts your children need to be learning right now. If you have any questions or you'd like to see games for other concepts, please let me know in the comments section below. If you like this game, be sure to click the subscribe button so you'll know every time a new game is added. See you next time as we move ahead at home.